Two old friends meet again, wearing all their faces, talk about the places they've been. Two old sweethearts who met upon somewhere long ago. How would they to know? Someday we meet again, and I'll meet for more than reminiscing. Maybe this time it'll be love in the fun. Maybe now they can be more than just friends. He's back in his life, and it feels so right.